Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So we can take a look at this Euro GBP. We can see that at first, price was once ranging within this level. This is one of the reasons why we took this level, which is our resistance level, and we took this level down to be our support level. So once this price comes to hit our resistance level, we tend to find a rejection down to our support level. Then price will move to the resistance level and again drop to the support level. So basically, price has been reacting that way. But now, when you take a look at this movement, price has now given us a breakout. Thereby, price has given breakout of our resistance level. Of course, once price breaks out of a resistance level, price will definitely give us a pullback to test that same resistance level. So this is what we've gotten. Now, when you take a look at your Euro GBP, what we will be expecting next is actually a bullish move, right? That is what we'll be watching out for. Coupled with the fact that this our Euro index, when you take a look at this index, you can see the foot trend is actually giving us a bullish move. So basically, most of our Euro peers is actually, pushing up, going bullish. So we expect this Euro GBP to actually go bullish. But when you also take a look at your GBP, GBP too is kind of giving us a bullish move. I just say it right. And we all know that GBP and Euro, they kind of move alike. When there's a bullish move on Euro, this GBP tends to go bullish. But when there's a drop on Euro, then this GBP also tends to drop. Most of the time, there's kind of like a correlation movement. The movements kind of move like the same way most of the time, not all though, but most of the time. So basically, but when you take a look at this, right, technically you'll see that Euro to GBP is to give us a bullish move. But to be able to predict this price for the 10th of January, which is the next day, we would have to now apply that principle of trade what you see and not what you think. So we would have to go to the forward time frame. Let's see if we can highlight some levels here. So I will take a look at these levels here. The reason why I will watch out for this level is that once price has come to this same level and we had a rejection at this level, we also see this candlestick wick sticking at the bottom, and again price gave us a rejection, and you can see price has reacted to this same level. So anytime price comes to this same level, which we will take as the support level on a forward time frame, we tend to see it spike up. So let's the next level are we going to watch out for on this Euro GBP? Of course, this ICA, which we will take as a support level. So we can see once price came to this level, we had a rejection, and again a rejection at this level, a rejection, and also a rejection here. So what we would be watching out for on this Euro GBP is price to actually push up to this resistance level before giving us a rejection. That should be giving us about 50 to 60 pips bullish move. So let's watch out for a 50 to 60 pips bullish move for the next day on Euro GBP. So that is what I'll be watching out for, a bullish move for Euro GBP.